What's the best thing to hang over? You probably think it's over a snake or even the fire, but that's not quite the case. Inspect carefully. The clue is hidden in the smallest details. I'll give you a moment to think. The answer will be revealed at the end of this video. Next challenge, puzzle 2. Can you spot the number 39 hidden in this shot? Now, double tap the screen, just so I know you got it right. Third question, what's the first app that shows up when you tap share and then more? I'm guessing it's the Messages app. By the way, did you know that if you follow me, I'll lose all my hair? Fourth question, press and hold the comment button, then pick your favorite emoji. I bet you picked this one. Now for the final question, be warned, it's a tough one. What number do you see in the image? Here's the reveal. Fire and a snake are the wrong choices. It's best to hang over a scorpion. It's small and simply can't reach you. Hit follow if you love puzzles.